boys. Last minute trip. Picking up this new project. It's nothing special. Car's got rust. But it's something that I couldn't let it pass. $300 pickup. So I'm gonna go look at it. Once I determine I look at it, I'll make decisions whether I keep it to fix or use it for parts. I know it'll make sense when we see it. One thing I could tell you for a fact that I know, it's got a blowing motor, so the car is not driving. Again, it got rust. I have to look at it. If it's something that I think I could make it worth fixing up, the body work wouldn't mean anything to me. So I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna buy it. I got the money, that's not the problem, it's cheap enough. The problem is like 25 minutes from my house. Down from Brooklyn, usually bring my cars. Trying to call him, but haven't been able to talk to him. So chances are is that I buy it and have to come back to get it. If that's the case, I'll still black around a little bit around the car so we see it. Trying to contact Danny from Brooklyn, and hopefully we could come and get it. I'm probably like around 16 minutes away, 15 minutes away from the destination. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright boys, so we got another EK, looking at it, waiting for the owner, work at a local Midas. Plan was to buy it for parts for the EK truck. Still don't know what to do with it. I know it's got a blowing motor, but doesn't look too bad. Always bodywork pursues me, but for the price, they got a little potential. Alright, so I'm gonna definitely take it. I'm waiting for the owner. Do this cash transaction, get title, key, and I know I'm gonna have to come back for it. Don't know how, when. I'm gonna have to wait on my boy Danny from Brooklyn, but then I'm gonna take it home. Why not? Got a couple goodie parts inside. We'll go at the crib. Aftermarket steering wheel. We do got some rust, but to bring it back in the channel as a project, it'll be interesting. I know I could do that body work, ugly as it look. Trunk, I could get another one. Quarter panels I could do. Rockers, you already seen I did the rockers in the EK truck. So again, plan was to use it for parts for the EK truck, but if I have a chance and been able to put the motor for the EK truck here, bringing it back to life, take me what it take me, it'll be a dope story and a new beginning for the car. So we'll see what we could do. Alright, so passenger side is not as bad. It's got rust. don't get me wrong, like the bottom of the rocker. So it may leave more 1/4 panel that I'll have to attack this the worst. But overall, for $300, boys, with a blowing motor, it's worth all day. The steering wheel alone is worth the $300. If I decided to take all this for the EK truck, I have everything. Like harness, throttle body, so manifold. If I wanted to go manual, I got a transmission. It's a manual transmission. But I don't know. Y'all know me getting into trouble, so I kind of still wanting to hook up the EK for a long time regular besides the truck, so I could use it. So gonna be a tough spot with this one, boys. Like I said, bodywork wise, this side got a little bit in this quarter compared to this side is gone. So we'll have to buy 1/4 panels for one side immediately. But we'll see what's up when I talk to the owner. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take it regardless.
The headers and exhaust, all that shit is pieced out in the back. Bro, the starter, alternator, distributor, all brand new. I put that shit in myself. Thermostat, brand new. I put that in myself. What else did I put on here?
Yeah, to be honest,
I feel like I'm missing some stuff for you, bro. If it comes to me, bro, I'll text it to you.
Nah, I appreciate you, man, for making time. Like, and I apologize because I know that working, and I hate when people do that to me. I'm like, for example, the phone that I tell you, that's only for like business in my house, so it's only with Wi-Fi. It's not even related with this one. And unless I don't stay there like physically all day, I can answer messages all day like with people. Yeah. And I didn't want you to think that I was bullshitting either, because I know how people would do. I didn't want to lowball you. I didn't want to waste your time. Nothing. Nah. That was like, man.
You can take the key if you want. The key is it's right in ignition, bro. I never took it out.
Yeah, I should definitely take this now. I like the steering wheel.
Bro, that was $250, bro, when I first got it.
But I'm trying to put in the work on it,
And like I said, if you want me to, bro, I'll bring those tires back there if you want those snow tires. Cause mine's is a 5 lug. Those are 4 lugs.
Which ones?
The snow tires with the rims.
Oh.
If you want those.
What are they, like Steelies and stuff like that?
No.
They're like this?
2000 they're on 2000 Honda Civic rims.
Oh, well, you got 2 of them?
Oh no, I got all 4 rims. Okay. All 4 rims with.
But those are the ones that you keeping, right? That you said they cost money, or?
If you want, I'll bring them out. I'll bring them to one of them to you out in the back so I can show you.
I'll check them out. All right, boys. So I did the deal with my boy. Hooked it up. Extra set of free wheels. Car came with wheels. Definitely a good deal. So I'm gonna get some parts out of it until I come and get it, so I could take them home. So this is the set of wheels the car came with. So altogether I got 2 different sets. Got these, you got the Fat Fives, so extra, so it's already a come up. Again, a few more parts and head back home. Alright, boys, so ready to head home. Got as much as I needed for the day. Steering wheel kinda dope. So at least we got some goodies. Again, we're gonna have plenty of work in this car, but that's the fun and the beauty of it, of bringing them back. So another build for the channel. Put together this one. I want to put hands on deck. So far so bad. We got everything to put them back together between this and the EK truck. Out of 2 made 1. Use the motor from the EK truck. Bring this one back alive. Why not? I miss manual cars, and I miss EKs. Sure didn't get a chance with the EK truck to drive, enjoy, do anything. So yeah, we'll see where we at with this one, boys. All right, boys. So this is much we're gonna see from here now. Head back home, speak with Danny, see when we could bring her home and start putting some magic on it. I don't wanna waste no time. Trying to see if we can make it at least roadworthy for a little bit before we could start doing body work and all of that. Alright, my friend, until we meet again, about to change your life and give you a makeover. Alright, boys, got you guys at the crib. Alright, boys, we back. These are the Mugen style wheels that the Honda EK Civic came with. These are extra wheels he gave me. Nothing wrong with extra wheels. I'm always switching and selling and trading tires, so why not? I could use these for the cars around the house. He gave me extra tires, which I needed. 15-inch tires. I got 2 of them, almost brand new. So them tires, I already got them for something in hand. I got the whole tubing and piping for the muffler saws. We got upper and down headers. We got the cold intake. He gave me a flip TV for it. It's got a CD deck player. Like, I pretty much literally came off for $300. You can't beat that, you know. My EK don't even have a muffler completely. So if I was to use it for parts, that would have came lovely. But we're gonna again restore it, trying to put it back together. So these are all the parts that belongs in the car. So we're gonna keep everything here in the shop, the storage shop. So yeah, phone is coming handy already for work. Perfect. I don't have to worry about it when I need to work on it. I could just work on it and do what I have to do. But yeah, got a back coming, boys. All right, so I got the wheels inside the room. Got the Fat Fives. We got the Mugen style wheels over here. Done spoke with Danny from Brooklyn. So first thing tomorrow, we're picking up the Civic, bringing it home.